Hello, everyone. So this is the official launch video of the Zero Point Extreme, which will be available this evening. And, I've created dozens of physical products over the years and a lot of non-physical products, AquaSync and things like that. And I always get super excited on the eve of the launch of something new. And a couple months ago, we released the original Zero Point, and it was a smash right off of the bat. We almost sold out in 72 hours. So I was thinking prior to that launch, how can we go over the top and make something so insanely powerful, unique, beautiful, simple to use? And Santa's elves in the workshop have been working overtime to bring you something incredible. And this extreme box. This is a sacred vessel that houses the Zero Point Extreme, brings it back into alignment after usage, and is masterfully crafted. I've done videos on this, so I'm gonna briefly kind of show you this, but I really want you to understand what we're getting into. Okay, this is a metal composite, the bottom part of the charging station. Okay, this has so much stuff going on with it. The resin that's poured in the middle there is also charged with liquid alchemy, and that helps push all that energy up into the plate. Each unit comes with a UV flashlight that allows you to really excite all of the energetic particles in there. And I've done videos with, the different lights and the glow in the dark and the reflective and all this stuff. But this is really the crown jewel here, folks. This is a hand poured 8-inch resin plate, 8-inch by 8-inch by 1 inch. It's huge and it's extremely heavy. And there are five symbols on the inside, sacred symbols that help charge it. Okay. There is liquid alchemy. There is a ton of moldavite dust in here. And this is the part that I create. I hand poured these over the last 2 or 3 months. And, it's a lot of work. But each one is uniquely different than the one that comes before it. They're all kind of quirky, beautiful, but extremely powerful. And when the ensemble is together and activated, there is this rush of energy that is just blissful that comes out and pushes up into anything. So I did a couple of videos around use case scenarios for this product. And simply put, this does absolutely everything that the original Zero Point did, but on a whole nother level. And I've released a couple of these into the wild, and the people are coming back with some really interesting things. So, I always used it just for a charging plate, right? You put stuff on there, 33 seconds later, it's just vibrating at a crazy level. You can put food on there. You can put any of your supplements on there. You can put things that you want to bring into fruition on there. You can write a note and put it on there. You can put anything you want. You can put it underneath your bed and sleep. You have the most lucid dreams at night. It's insane. Okay. I'm just super excited to push this baby out into the world because out of all the products that I have ever created, this is beautiful chaos, focused chaos. And the energy that comes off of this product is revolutionary. It in the creation process, I'm getting a little older now, so I don't push as hard as I used to 20 years ago. But um, every time I get a little bit lazy, I get this burst of energy and I put my focus on that energy and it would go right back to the creation process. So although it's not really a mobile unit, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, you just close your eyes and put your attention and you're instantly connected once she's activated to you. And that makes it mobile. If you're a person that likes to tinker with energy and energy products and, manifesting, supercharging crystals, clearing anything of negativity, this is completely the product for you. I can't say enough about this product. It was a true labor of love to bring it into the world. And besides the box and the base, even the bases are a little different. The resin pours are a little different. The resin plate it's otherworldly. I don't know how else to describe it. They're so reflective in a video that it's really kind of hard to see the detail. But when you dim the lights and you put the UV on the charging plate for 30 seconds and then on the resin plate for 30 seconds and then put that ensemble together, it just blows your hair back. I mean, the energy is just amazing. So for the launch, 50% off. That's right, 50% off. The shipping, this is a heavy product. It's almost 7 pounds in a box. So the shipping is a little bit more expensive than the other products because this product's very heavy. But we ship anywhere in the world. USPS priority, 50% off for the foreseeable future, and then it goes to full price. Folks, this is master level work. You know, everything that I've learned in my 20 plus years in this field, pushing the envelope with these products is in this one. And again, I hand pour all the resin plates. They're all quirky, they're all unique, they're all different, and they're all packed with energy that will simply pour you, bring you to your knees. It's a labor of love. It's, my intention going into it. I personally create these. Um, It's very, very different from other products that I've created. This is master level work and it's unbelievable. So if you want to get one, grab them while they last. Once they're gone, they're gone. Then the price goes up. Um, if you feel it calling you, you feel that calling, don't second guess it, just jump on it because they're not going to be around long for the launch special. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful evening.